On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
Welcome back to our channel. For those who are tuning into our channel for the first time, we are Rodney and Tosca, and you are most welcome here.
This year's Christmas is different because our children, Sybil and Michaela Mota, are having their first Christmas as a married couple, and they decided to host. Also, our youngest daughter, Chloe, lives in Johannesburg, South Africa as well. And it was only a pleasure for us to pack up as the parents and fly to Johannesburg to support the couple to host their first Christmas.
We are on our way to see our girl.
Very excited. We are here. Good to see you.
Hi, welcome.
They came to collect the car.
So ladies, it's that time of the year again.
It's time.
I absolutely love an old Mariah, but what is on our Christmas menu for 2023? It seems like it was yesterday when we cooked
Yes.
our last Christmas dinner.
I mean, we've only had 365 days to think of it and imagine
know.
it, and it's finally coming
Yeah,
into
it's
fruition.
finally here, everybody. So today is our big cook-off.
Yes.
Michaela, can you take us through what we're going to be cooking for Christmas dinner?
Of course, I'd be glad to. So as you can see in front of us, we have our gammon, our boneless gammon, as well as our lamb roast.
That's the good stuff.
That is the good stuff, but those are not all the meats we'll be having for Christmas. We will also be having our oven roasted chicken,
Wow.
as well as lasagna and a good old Cape Malay beef curry. So we're very excited for that.
Very excited for that. And are you telling me we're going to have some roti and basmati rice with that?
Of course, but it's not the only sides we're gonna have.
So forward to that. So what are we serving with that?
Okay, so we are also going to have some hatchback potatoes, creamed spinach and butternut, a good old juicy green salad. I mean, it is the summertime, guys.
Yes.
We're also going to have a lovely chicken roly-poly. It's an untraditional take actually on the chicken pie. It's my Aunt Gail's recipe. Individual servings of your own little rolled up chicken pie I'll show
which
you.
we
I
are
can't
very
wait. I
excited
can't wait to show you.
have.
Wow.
Yes, and speaking about aunts, we have another aunt who's an amazing baker. So tomorrow we are doing her malva pudding as well
For dessert.
for dessert,
Lovely.
which will be served
Lovely.
with some vanilla ice cream and custard. I mean, what's Christmas without a bit of custard, eh?
It just has to be there.
Yes, and so do the carrots. So carrot cake, that's where that comes in.
Guys, it seems as if we're going to have our hands full with this full menu. So, let's get cooking!
Hi, Merry Christmas, family. We had a wonderful time. The food was nice. Everything was wonderful.
I'm so glad.
Well planned.
Silent night. Only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night. Send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating around the streets and kiss some
I heard my name. Yeah.
Christmas kind of spot. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his hand? Saved to my heart a waterfall. In love this Christmas, Santa greatest gift of all. Settle down. up to. So does love.
I love the hippie.
Someone I can talk to. We'll share stories about childhood.
Yo!
And another log to make it last. We'll build Frosty the snowman, the Christmas man, and then we'll fall in like two birds falling. Santa Claus, do you know you live Santa's love? Sing to my waterfall. In love this Christmas, Santa will be the greatest kingdom. Send me
Oh yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Send me your love for Christmas, and that would be the greatest gift of all.
That's it. There we go.
Tumfanzo.
Pinda futhi.
Tumfanzo.
Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas. We love you, brother. To Karabo.
To my baby.
Well done, guys.
Sufana.
Yeah, next to Fana. Next to Fana.
I can talk to. We'll share stories about childhood.
Yeah, me love. Be next to Mel. Then you can be next to me.
Yeah, okay.
And so, this Christmas, we witnessed two families coming together as one through marriage. The bond that links your true family is not one of blood, but of respect and joy of each other. Blood makes you related, but love makes you family. So until next time, with love from just a couple of forevers. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Talk soon.